These little golden nuggets are crunchy outside, juicy inside, and glazed with that sticky honey garlic sauce that makes everyone ask, "Wait, you made this?" All right, let's go. Start with 400 grams of boneless chicken breast, cut into small bite-sized cubes. Pat them dry. This step is crucial for that perfect crunch. Now in a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika for a gentle kick. Crack in 1 egg and add 1 tablespoon of water to help everything stick. Toss your chicken cubes into this mixture until they're fully coated. Lightly spray your air fryer basket with oil. Place the chicken in a single layer and air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, shaking halfway through. While that magic happens, let's make the glaze that turns this snack into an addiction. In a small pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of rice vinegar or lemon juice for that tangy balance. Simmer for a minute until it turns glossy and smells like heaven. Now, toss your crispy chicken bites in this sauce until every piece shines. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and chopped spring onions for that final touch. Listen to that crunch. It's sweet, spicy, garlicky, and honestly, better than takeout. Once you try this, you'll never want fried chicken any other way. Save it, share it, and hit that subscribe button before your chicken gets cold.